Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today we are making pan-seared chicken that is perfect for anything really. This is like the perfect recipe for meal prep. It's so versatile that you can use it in so many ways. So let's get right into it. First, I'm gonna make the seasoning for this recipe, and it's really simple. So it's a teaspoon of granulated garlic, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Let's give that a good mix, move it to the side, and move on to our chicken. I have boneless, skinless thighs here that I've washed and I cut into similar size. I'm gonna add some salt, and I'm also gonna add some cumin, coriander that I've toasted and pounded in my mortar and pestle. If you don't have cumin and coriander, you can skip it, but if you have it, I encourage that you add it because it does bump up the flavor of the chicken. I'm adding 2.5 teaspoons of the spice mixture we made earlier, but you can use the whole thing if you're not gonna use cumin and coriander in this recipe. Next, I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. If you don't have it, you can use cooking oil, that's fine. I'm also gonna add half a lemon, and I'm gonna give this chicken a really good mix. I'm gonna make sure that every piece is coated with all the stuff we added in there so that every piece is nice and flavorful. I'm gonna marinate the chicken for half an hour, but if you have time, go ahead and marinate it for an hour or two in the fridge, and that will make it even more flavorful. All right, it's time to cook the chicken. I'm using refined coconut oil, but you can use any type of oil you cook with. And I'm gonna cook the chicken in 2 batches so that way they can get a nice good sear. It's really important to have the pan really hot before you add the chicken, so that way you can get that nice sear you're looking for. I'm not using a lot of oil, so every once in a while I'm gonna rotate the pan so that I get an even sear. So it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna give them a flip and I'm gonna press on them so that way I can get a nice sear all the way around. I've made this recipe before. I posted this recipe a long time ago and it was in my native language, so I'm redoing it again in English so that a lot more people can benefit from it. First batch is done, so now I'm adding my second batch, and if you need some oil, a little bit more oil at any point, go ahead and add it. Once I get a nice sear on both sides, I do flip the chicken back and forth until it's cooked through. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this chicken recipe is so versatile. It's the perfect thing for meal prep. You can have it in a wrap, you can eat it with rice or any other type of carb you're going for. Honestly, it's so versatile. I think it's the perfect weeknight dinner as well. You can just put everything together, let it marinate for a while, get some other things done, maybe get some sides done, and voila, dinner is ready. Second batch is done, and that's what I love about this recipe. You can literally do this in minutes. There you go, an easy chicken recipe that is good enough for meal prep, but also easy enough for a weeknight dinner. That sear is bringing in a lot of flavor, and at the same time we have a nice juicy chicken that is perfect for any meal. That is it for this video. I hope you guys find it useful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the videos. It means so much to me and helps me out so much. I'll talk to you later in the next one. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.